Hey guys, if you need to remove your automotive tint, it's actually very simple and easy. I actually remove my own automotive tint from my cars when they start bubbling up like this, where I can't see behind me because of the bubbles. So it's very simple. This is already removed and it's super clear right now. I'm going to do a little bit more finishing touches on it, but overall I love it because I removed all the tint and all the defroster lines still work. Haha. Anyways, it's very simple, very easy to do. All you need is actually a hand steamer. So I have my Conair hand steamer, which I use for my clothing. It has a nice 4-inch steam area and also a pretty nice little reservoir. It's nice and light in my hand so I can actually move around. You also need some microfiber towels so you can absorb some of the adhesive. So the steamer and the microfiber towels are pretty useful. Now, how I start is I basically start at one corner. I heat up very lightly. I don't touch the glass or anything like that, or the tint. I just keep it like about an inch away from the tint so that the steam does its work and melts that glue. Once the glue starts releasing, you could actually peel this down and start releasing other glue by just using the heat of the steam. Of course, like I said, do not put that steam surface on top of the glass or anywhere else. Just keep it like a centimeter or an inch away from it. So you're using that steam to actually heat up and loosen that glue and release the glue, and it's gonna stink. The glue stinks a lot. So you just go do it. Give it some little pressure to help it along. We'll get rid of the rest of the glue later. If you do it correctly, majority of that glue is gonna be on your tint that you're pulling off. So if you're doing it nice and slow, most of the tint is actually going to be on your, most of the glue is going to be on your tint. But if you do it a little faster, it might stick onto the glass, and that we'll take care of that a little later too. But getting good quality tint, quite possibly it won't tear. So this tint was actually a good quality tint. But like I said, it's already been over 5 years, and it's trying to release because I guess probably the glue is starting to release out. Anyways, I'm working on the other side too, so you want to do it nice and slowly. And like I said, just give it a little pressure to pull, but don't pull too hard. You want to make sure that glue loosens up so it just releases, and you could just slightly pull it off. Do not rush anything, because you don't want that defroster lines to be damaged or anything. So nice and slow. Let the steam do its work. Let it release, and then just let it do a thing. It's really quick. As you can see, there's still glue on some areas, so I'm going to go ahead and go back at this with a microfiber towel. The best way is to heat up that microfiber towel on the thing and let the microfiber towel and the steam do its thing and absorb the glue onto the microfiber towel. Of course, you might have to do 1 or 2 runs. As you can see, there's still some residue there after I did 1 run. So after the second run, it basically takes out the glue. So it's really nice, and afterwards it's super clean. Anyways, this is a Conair Turbo Extreme steamer, and it's awesome. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.